Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today we're here at this house. We're considering purchasing or wholesaling Sub2. Our good friend Manzo brought us the lead. Tell us how you got this lead and what's going on with it.
Yeah, absolutely. I came across her about a year and a half ago. She tried to put it on the market, was unable to do so because she doesn't have a lot of room in between what she owes compared to obviously what we could get it for on the market. So kept staying in touch with her, and obviously I came across her. I talked to her probably about maybe a few weeks ago and presented this particular opportunity where we could take it on Sub2, where we could take over her payments and give her a little bit of money where she can move on to her next place. She wants to buy a condo. So we're here now in Roseville, and we're going to see, we're going to walk the place and see what needs to be done, and we'll see if we can help her out here.
100%. We'll see how the construction looks, but she seems pretty open to Sub2 since we spoke with her the other day.
Yes.
Yeah.
She does, absolutely.
So what are some of the things that we're going to need to do to figure out if this is a good deal?
I think we're going to need to figure out, you know, what's going to be involved with repairs, how much we're going to we're going to have to put into it. You know, hopefully it'll be minor stuff. We already know obviously the mortgage payments, the taxes and whatnot. We're going to put it all together and see if it's going to be something we can take on. For
sure. So the mortgage is about like 120 and she wants like 10K down right now?
The mortgage is about 130 something, and she probably, I'm guessing she wants about 10K, so we can move her into her next place that she's looking to do. She wants to buy a condo. Obviously it's a lot of maintenance for her here, and she doesn't want to be living here anymore. So
better to be in an HOA, I guess, sometimes.
Yeah, maybe in her case, yes. So yeah, for sure.
So we're waiting for the seller. She'll be here in like 5 or 10 minutes, and you'll see how the walkthrough goes.
I don't know. I didn't want Kayla to be mad at me. I guess I put an offer in on this one, and they accepted it, and then it's like later I got to thinking like, why did I do that? This don't make sense.
Okay.
But then after the fact, it was too late.
For sure.
I'm like, it's not the space and stuff that I need.
Sure.
Yeah.
The condo that I had got approved for before this one, that's the one I should have got. It had the layout that I wanted down on 10 and DeQuinder.
Yeah.
Okay.
It had the layout and stuff I wanted. It had the upstairs and the finished basement, but I was scared of the work.
Yeah.
So I panicked because the people had just moved out, I think. Somebody had died in it. And
all right.
It needed updating very badly too.
Yeah.
The carpet and the painting and stuff.
Sure. Sure.
And it had a whole bunch of wood paneling in the kitchen. I'm like, how am I supposed to do this? Like, can you paint this? Like, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah.
So it's like I panicked, and then I backed out, and then I.
So who's Kayla?
This one. That was my person. What you call it?
Realtor.
That was my realtor. Yeah, I love Kayla. She was so patient with me.
Good.
The person I had before
wasn't
pissed
patient.
him off. He didn't want to work with me no more.
Got it. Yeah.
I found Kayla and she was cool.
Yeah.
Realtors, you never know.
So I don't know. I wound up putting an offer on this and got it, and then I didn't want it, but it was too late.
Yeah.
Honestly.
For sure.
So you were looking for a condo even before that too, as well.
Yeah. I actually got approved for another one too, but I didn't want to be in that area. And I got to thinking down there on 16 and Grossback. That one, that was nice. I didn't like the basement.
Yeah.
And I backed out of that one.
For sure.
But it had the bathrooms, the 2 bathrooms and the big bedrooms and stuff. Stuff that I need.
Sure.
For sure.
Had a kitchen, had a pantry in the kitchen and everything.
Okay. Well, hopefully we can find something like that again.
Yeah, there was like a couple more I backed out on too.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Well, and also very important, obviously, you know, you want everything you want in the place, but you also want, obviously, to be a comfortable payment for you.
Yeah.
That you're not dumping all your money in just the mortgage. You don't want to do that, right? You want some free up money because, you know, obviously there's a lot of other things that, you know, necessities that you need and other bills and things like that, so we understand.
For sure. So you've been looking at any new properties currently?
I look at that stuff all the time because my sister trying to find a place.
Got it.
So I look at it all the time.
There's
Just the prices are
crazy.
Yeah, there is a couple. I know you mentioned like the Civic Center.
Yeah.
Over on 12
I love
Mile.
those. There's one in there now.
There's a couple of them.
Okay.
There's a couple of them, and I know one of them's, but we'll see what we can do. But there is a couple available on the market. So
Okay.
Got it.
I know that was one of the areas that you mentioned the other day.
Yeah, I love those condos back there. I like the ranch style ones. Another one, me and my sister looked at a couple months. It was gorgeous. It was 140 something.
Okay.
And they redid everything in there. They had the upstairs, and you should have seen the walk-in closet. Like, it was wraparound.
Yeah.
Wow.
And
For
the
sure.
bedrooms was huge.
Wow.
Yeah.
The garage, you can walk straight into the garage from in
Sure.
the house.
Yeah.
Everything was redone. It was so pretty.
Wow.
But she didn't
Beautiful.
want
I
to offer.
gotcha.
But that was gorgeous. Only thing it was missing was the extra space for my son.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need a space for him.
Okay.
Got it.
He's 16.
Yep.
For
okay.
sure.
I
And that was
understand.
another thing about this house. Like, I feel like we're on top of each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
He can't go nowhere. I can't tell him to go to the basement or go upstairs. You know,
Sure.
get out my face. You know,
Sure.
And,
Understand.
like,
Always
I
around.
hate that. You
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
We need our own little separate space.
Got it. Got it.
For
Okay.
sure.
Well, understand. So we'll
Let's take a look at the house.
take a look and
Yeah, did you guys? Oh no, you didn't move the gate, so I'm in the back.
yeah, no, we just
We're patiently waiting for you.
yeah.
Oh, you can look around.
Oh, we looked outside, not inside though.
This deck is one of the things is loose. It's loose, and then I just noticed this the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know that was dry rotted.
Yeah.
Yeah. All good.
Get it.
There's a closet right here.
How's it going, AJ?
Say hi.
Hello, AJ.
How's it going?
How are you?
That's my son. Closet.
Okay.
Some little slab doors right here to the backyard.
All right.
Cool.
Somebody-
You still want to open the garage?
I'll open it. This is the laundry room. Now I'm gonna tell you how
Okay.
they got me with something that they didn't tell me. That's a new water tank. I put that in, I think, last summer.
Okay.
The other one started leaking on me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Replace that. Okay.
And when I moved in, I replaced the washer and dryer and the stove and refrigerator. Now, don't you know how when you're washing your clothes, it goes to the rinse cycle, and the water rinses out?
Yes.
This water does not go down on its own.
Okay.
There is a pump right here. There's a pump on it.
Closet room. Yeah. It's over there. You're all good, man. It doesn't matter if it's dirty. She says you need some more space for yourself. It's a nice bathroom. It's pretty solid. It's a new shower. Not fully. Yeah. Just different style. Just not what you're used to.
Living room. I've never seen windows that don't come open.
Yeah.
These windows do not come open.
Really?
The rest of them can slide. These ones, they don't. One big window.
Got it.
Okay.
All right. Nope.
And that's both
All good
like
then.
that, huh?
Both of them like that. Those are the only ones like that.
That's why you got the fans.
And because that split level be acting up.
Got it.
I need to get that service because it's leaking.
Okay.
I have two of those. The split level air conditioners.
Oh,
So it's not central air.
Yep. Yep.
There's a box for that one right outside the door.
Okay.
And then there's
Yeah.
He can go out there because there's a bee nest out there.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll just take a picture from out here.
I'll let you around the other side.
Yeah, there's a. Careful. Maybe able to. We can recommend. We have got some contacts that maybe we can get that insurance lowered as well for you.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, and then it's just a matter of what we decide what we're going to do with it.
Most likely run it out.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, we want to work with you as well as we want to work for us, so both sides. So it's a win-win for everybody.
Okay.
Yeah.
How often do y'all do this?
I do about like 10, 20 deals a month right now.
Really?
Yeah. We do it nationwide though, not just in Michigan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So obviously the on-market thing, we looked into that, and we wouldn't have enough room there, to put a sign in front and pay out the commissions to the agents and things like that. There's not enough space there. We wouldn't want you come to the closing table and have to pay. We don't want you to have to pay, bring a check to make up the difference. So
Right.
that's why I put it on the market. It makes sense. So there's multiple ways that obviously you do this, and this is just one of them of many that we can try to help you out.
It's the main one where you're actually gonna not lose money on the transaction though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's obviously, you have your mortgage, you have your $10,000 MISHDA that we'd be covering, and then some money that you need obviously to move on to your next place. So, and it makes sense for you as well, because you want to be comfortable with your payment, with your let's say your condo that you want to move into.
Yeah.
Only houses that I like are the tri-levels.
Tri-levels?
I never see any under 200.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, I like those, the finished ones.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Other than that, my condos.
So your main things that are most important for you for your next place? Space. Okay. Bigger bedrooms.
Yes.
So 3 bedrooms, 2 baths?
Yes.
Something like that.
Yeah. Or 2 bedroom, 2 bath. As long as they got a finished basement.
Got it.
I can work that.
Or tri-level.
I need space for him. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Okay.
So we can definitely work on helping you find that stuff as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna help you with that too.
Okay.
Yep.
So we can put you on like a search, like for looking at houses, or like because that's kind of like the determining factor for the timeline of when you're gonna be making the transition, and if you like our offer.
Y'all can get me into something, that I like, because I only want to move one more time. That's it.
Yeah.
I promise you.
Your whole life?
I hate moving. Yeah.
Yes. Got
I'm dead serious.
My
brother just said the same thing. He been debating on putting his house on the market, and he stay up the street in East Point. His house is completely paid off though.
Okay.
And he been debating on that. He said we moving one more time. That's it.
For sure.
Yeah.
Same way with me.
100%.
And I think my sister the same way. She been staying in her little apartments. Next time, that's it.
Yeah. For sure.
So I wanted to be something I really want.
Definitely.
How much would you need as far as like time wise? Let's say
it depends on how fast y'all can find me something.
Okay.
Get me approved for something.
Okay.
Let's say
then I can be out of here. You ain't gotta tell me but once.
Okay. Yeah, and just looking ahead, I get it. Okay. Just trying to get a little gauge here. That's all.
So like I guess maybe like the 90 days.
Yeah. Okay.
If you can find me something in that time and get me approved for something.
For sure. Okay.
That'll work.
So we can
I can pull that off.
Yeah, for sure. So you need like 10 to 12,000 for the mortgage, so you can net that in your pocket, and then we can do like a 90-day close, or All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't know how quick something would come up in my range.
Yeah, for sure.
And if y'all can get me approved for something.
Yeah. We'll get you a pre-qualification with our friend Brandon, and we'll see what we can get you on that end. And then we can put you on a search if you want to. Is there anything like as far as the city or anywhere that's under 200K, 3-bed, 2 baths, or what?
I like the suburb part of Warren. Like 11, 12 mile, 13 mile area of Warren.
Yeah, you mentioned like the 11, 12 mile Van Dyke.
Yeah. I have seen a couple here in Roseville, although I don't want to be in Roseville anymore. I want to go further down.
Yeah.
I have seen a couple over there on Masonic.
Yeah.
I like those condos. Those are actually really nice.
For sure.
I know I can't afford Southfield, but there's a few in Southfield that I like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try to snipe one out for 200.
Yeah.
And we'll take a look there as well. You know, see what's possible, obviously, for you.
And then probably more in the area.
For sure.
Okay. But definitely a condo.
Yes.
Definitely a condo.
Yes.
Got it. Or tri-level.
I don't want to do outside
Tri-level,
maintenance.
yeah, that's true.
I don't want to do outside maintenance. Tell grass.
Yeah.
I remember you saying that before.
For sure.
I thought this would be a walk in the park because I didn't think it would be so bad when I first looked at it.
Uh-huh.
But once I started doing it, it's like, hell.
Sure.
AJ, don't do it.
I was like, I can't do this.
Yeah. No,
like, I wish I had the money to pay somebody to come cut it every 2 weeks. Because you got the side, the front, and the back.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's a lot.
What about AJ?
For me. AJ lazy. You don't like it either.
Yeah. Yeah. And we've been lucky with the winters. Last winter, we didn't have much snow.
Yeah, we had a good winter.
Mm-hmm. But
and
normally.
people are still complaining.
Yeah.
People on Facebook still complaining. I'm like, what's wrong with you? We barely had snow.
Yeah.
You'd have a lot if you were to had to shovel snow around here.
Oh, I hate doing that too. Yeah, because I get out there and shovel with it.
Yeah.
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 For sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, you have any additional questions? Let us know. You can text.
Is that your number I was texting?
Yep. And I don't know if you have.
I don't think you do.
You guys have a card?
Not on me. I do.
I have
a card.
Like a blank. It's electronic. I can send you. I can text it to you.
Okay.
And you can check out our website and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yours is just We Buy Houses Anywhere?
Yeah.
I'm sure I'm looking
I'll send it over.
.com.
And you'll have it. Yeah, WeBuyHousesAnywhere.com.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And I'll send you our stuff.
Okay, yeah. Please send it to
Put us in a group chat.
Yep.
And then we'll be
and
good.
Then you'll have his number as well.
Do you have our email?
No, I don't believe so.
Okay.
I'm gonna
text it to you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'll put everything in a group text, and then you'll have everything.
Yep.
Okay.
And obviously, you already have my number. You can text, call, whatever you need. And we're gonna obviously put a game plan together, and we're gonna see what we can do to help you out.
For sure. We'll put you in contact with the mortgage person, get you on the search for the properties, and then we're gonna think about an agreement we can put together and send it over to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah,
you're very
our
welcome.
pleasure.
Absolutely.
Nice meeting you guys.
Great meeting you, Melanie.
Thank
You're
you.
so young, Justin.
I know, we gotta teach AJ.
You're so young.
Yeah.